Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage V3 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the Polar FlowSync application. Before we start, if you want to use the Polar FlowSync application to factory reset your watch, you will need a couple of things. The first thing you will need is to have an access to a working computer. Then you will need to have an internet access on that computer because we need to download the application. And last thing you will need is a charging cable that was provided with your watch, something like this, because we need to use this cable to plug your watch to a computer. I'm gonna use this adapter, USB-C to USB-A adapter, because I don't have any USB-C ports on my computer. But if you have any USB ports on your computer, you can simply plug it in straight to the computer, and that will be actually easier than using the adapter. Anyway, once you have all three things, so the computer, internet access and the cable, we can continue. And now we can open the browser on our computer. You can open any type of web browser. I'm gonna use the Google Chrome because that's the one I have. And once you open the browser, click on the search bar and type in this address. flow.polar.com/start, and then press enter. And it should direct you to this page. Let me actually change the language to English, and that's how it looks like. And what we're looking here for is this category, your computer, and we have two buttons. We have Apple and Windows. And depending on which type of system you're using, it could be iOS or I don't think it's iOS, it's macOS on the computer, right? Yeah, macOS or Windows. I'm using the Windows, so I'm gonna click on Windows, but if you're using Apple system, you can click on Apple. It's gonna start downloading, and after it's done, you're gonna see the pop-up right here. You can click on this pop-up to basically execute the file, to start the installation. Okay, we want to continue, so I'm gonna click on yes. This is the installer. We need to click on I accept, click on next. Here you can select the path on which the app will be installed, and you can click on browse to change it if you like to. I'm gonna leave it at default, but if you wish to, you can change it. Then click next. You can check the box to create a desktop shortcut. Click next and wait until the application is done installing. Okay, the application is done installing. Check the box to launch the Polar FlowSync. Click on finish. And here we have our app. That's how it looks like. As you can see, now we need to connect our product to our computer. And to do it, I'm gonna use this cable because the computer is quite far away. So this cable, the charging cable, is too short. So I'm gonna use this extension cord. I'm gonna plug my charging cable to that extension cord. It's quite contraption, I would say, but it works, so that's fine. And the second end of the charging cable, this one, we need to plug to our watch. Basically, we need to flip it around and place it on our watch. It snaps to the watch because it's magnetic, so it should, basically you can't plug it wrong because it's gonna snap on. And once it snaps on, we need to wait, and the application should detect our watch. If it doesn't, we can try to unplug it and replug it. And as you can see, now it detected our watch. Once it does, you will see the watch, and here you have the settings icon. Click on it. Here we have the factory reset button. Click on it, then click on yes, and wait. Do not unplug your watch during the resetting process. Keep it plugged in. Once you see the message factory reset done, then you can unplug the watch. The watch will continue the resetting process, and once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the Polar FlowSync application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.